Hey everyone, Cubs fan Stan here. And this past weekend, my wife and I went to Indianapolis for a weekend out of town. So just had to stop by the Indy Card Exchange, which is an awesome card shop over there. And it just happened to be National Hockey Card Day, so we picked up 2 packs of the Upper Deck National Hockey Card Day. We'll get into those in a bit. Also picked up a 2018 Topps Archive blaster box. I don't know, I saw it there, so I figured I'd pick it up. Also picked up 4 hobby packs of the 2020 Topps Series 1. And picked up a couple Rizzo cards from my PC. And then finally I said the heck with it. They had 2 boxes of 2 hobby boxes of 2020 Series 1. So I picked up one of those. It's been a long time since I've broken a hobby box of anything, so I figured what the heck. So we will start with the hockey cards. So let's get into these. Alright, let's see if I can get these. Alright. Got Cody Glass, Pat LaFontaine, Zach Werenski, Taro Heroes. Sorry I'm butchering these names. Keith Kachuk, I'm assuming. And looks like a promo card or something here. So not too shabby. No Blackhawks, but that's okay. Let's get into the other one. I don't really collect hockey cards, so if any of you see some of these that you're interested in, just leave me a comment or hit me up on Twitter or Instagram, and probably get them to you real cheap or trade you or something. Here's Mike Modano, Ben Bishop, Capo Caco, so I've probably totally screwed that up, Chris Chelios, and Joe Pavelski. Apparently they put these promo cards in here, so there's that. It's interesting. Let's jump over to the Rizzo cards here. The first one I got it's not really a rookie card. It's a 2010 Bowman. So I get the glare off that. 2010 Bowman Chrome Prospects. Didn't have that in my collection, so that's pretty cool. Then I have a 2016 Topps Finest Green Refractor, numbered to 99. Pretty cool. And then I have a 2018 Topps Inception, numbered to 99. This is the Magenta parallel. So 3 more new cards from my Rizzo collection. Now, let me move some of these over here. I'm going to jump into this blaster box real quick. I bought some of these when they came out, when they were at Meyer. And it's kind of cool. I believe these are these are the ones you can get the Sandlot cards. Even a chance to get an auto from one of those, so that was pretty cool. So let's jump into that. So there's 7 packs plus 2 Topps coins. I forgot how to open it. Okay. These remind me of the from the 80s here. So get that in there. Let me open the coins first. I guess there's a tear strip. So the first coin is Andrew McCutcheon. Pretty cool. I'm gonna say these were 87s or something. They did this Well, I think they're... Ooh, there's a good one. Ozzy Albies. Not too shabby. Alright, let's get into the packs. There's 8. Looks like there's 8 cards in a pack. So, let's jump through these real quick. Nicky Delmonico, Paul Goldschmidt, Marcelo Zuna, Daniel Murphy. Hey, there's a Schwarber. Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Put him in my Cubs pile. Catfish Hunter, John Smoltz, and Nolan Ryan. All right. Got a Luis Castillo, Lorenzo Cain, Aaron Nola, Tim Beckham, Francisco Mejia, rookie card. And given the recent controversy, I won't mention their names. Astros, Ian Kinsler, and Joey Votto. Alright, Luke Weaver, Anthony Rendon, Bruce Sutter, Ozzie Smith. There's Timmy Timmons from the Sandlot. Very cool. No auto though. Cody Bellinger, Irvin Santana, and Starling Marte. Alright, Addison Russell, Adam Jones, David Ortiz with the Twins, interesting. Zach Cozart, Rafael Iglesias, Yadier Molina, Trey Turner, and Yu Darvish. All right. Anthony Banda, Bobby Dorr. There's a good one. Carlton Fisk, Justin Turner, Jose Barrios. Oh, this is interesting. Topps rookie history, Jeff Bagwell. Looks like the, what is this, 90, 91, one of those. Pretty cool. Freddie Freeman and J.P. Crawford rookie. 2 more packs. Alright, Cal Ripken Jr., Albert Pujols, Josh Bell, Tommy Pham. There's a Turn Back the Clock, Roger Clemens. No, Randy Johnson. Robin Roberts, Joe Morgan, Chipper Jones. And the last pack. Adam Duvall, Corey Seager, Jorge Polanco, Teoscar Hernandez, Carson Fulmer. Here's some Dodgers feature stars. Alex Rodriguez and John Gray. So there's your 2018 Topps Archives. Nothing fancy, but let's move on to the packs here of 2020 Topps Series 1. These are, I got 4 of those pulled out of a box there. This is before I decided to get the hobby box itself. So let's see what we got. All right. Oops. Trying to line this up here. Anthony Rendon. There's Albert Almora. Throw him in my Cubs pile. Josh Bell. Jonathan Villar. Billy Hamilton, Hansel Robles, Luri Garcia, Robbie Grossman. That's a cool shot. Jalen Davis. Got Tommy Pham. Here's an Anthony Rendon League Leaders. This is interesting. They got the League Leaders there. Used to be a little bit bigger. And then we've got, ooh, that's pretty cool. Ozzy Albies. Decades Next 2020. Mike Fears. David Peralta. Okay, we got a Patrick Sandoval, David Fletcher, Anthony K. Here is a Randy Arozarena. Sorry if I messed that up. Eric Feddy. Tyler O'Neill. Trent Thornton. German Marquez. Jake Lamb. Ben Gamel. Another nice photography there. Starlin Marte. Here's one of these die cut cards. This one's a little better than the one I got out of the other pack previous. I didn't do a video on it, but here's Ty Cobb. Yuli Gurriel. That's a nice photo. I don't think that's a short print. 260. Nope, that's base. And Michael Baez. All right, 2 more of these to go. Ryan Braun, Hanser Alberto, Michael Conforto. Hey, Anthony Rizzo. I've already got this, but always good to have an extra Rizzo. Put him in my team, Cubs team collection. Merrill Kelly. Ken Giles, Tyler Glasnow, Mitch Hanger. There's a Juan Soto World Series. Tim Anderson, League Leaders. Jose Abreu, League Leaders. Here's a Bryce Harper. This is the 1985. Slick design. Chase Anderson and Christian Stewart. And the last pack. Robinson Cano, Julio Teheran, DJ LeMahieu. There's an Aaron Judge, Nicky Lopez, Sean Doolittle. Love that shot. Brandon Belt. Pete Alonso, League Leaders. Wish they would put these in all the same order here. Andrew Chafin, former Cub. Jorge Soler, League Leaders. Anthony Rendon, World Series. Steven Strasburg, League Leaders. Michael Pineda. And, ooh, there's a nice one. Baez. Yeah, it's the base. Okay. So there's those packs. Let me get these out of the way. Rizzo. Now we're going to do the box. As I said, it's been a while since I've done a box of a hobby box. Usually I'm stuck to retail. Meyer gets a lot of good retail, even though some of them, sometimes they say that, you know, Walmart has exclusives and Target has exclusives. Well, sometimes, well, Meyer has the purple stuff too. But anyway, this is a hobby box. So, oh yes, forgot about this. The silver pack. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's go, how do I do this here? No, let's just Let's just pull the packs out of the box. I don't have more room. I forgot about this silver pack. This should be pretty cool. We'll just start with that one first because that's what I like to do. Let's go this way. Hopefully we pull a cubby. That would be nice. Who do we get here? Of course, we get the Brewers. Christian Yelich. Mookie Betts. He doesn't play for the Red Sox anymore. Matt Thaiss. And Nolan Arenado. And a promo card. So that's the silver pack. Alrighty. Put those over here somewhere. Alright, let's see if I can just put that there. We'll just start at it here. I think what do we got here? 24 packs. 14 cards in a pack. Chance at one auto or a relic, so we'll see what happens here. Tony Gosselin, and here we go. We got to go upside down again. Jason Kipnis, Bo Bichette rookie, Sonny Gray, Danny Holtzen rookie card, Cubs, Chance Sisco, Nick Solak, Jay Bruce, Matt Olson, Dominic Smith, Josh Van Meter. Here's another one of those 2020 Decades Next. Jesus Luzardo. Jose Urquidy. And George Springer. I'll just kind of rotate around the packs here. Hopefully I'm not missing any short prints. I've got my screen up here. Codes on it. Sorry. Tyler White, Dustin May, Hunter Dozier, Nico Hoerner, rookie card. Nice to have an extra one of those. Alex Young, Austin Hedges, Aaron Hicks. That's a good shot. Here's a Yankees team card. There's a Cardinals card. And let's see. Goodrum card. And Scott Kingery. That's a nice picture. That could be Stadium Club quality there. Here's one of the 85s, Darryl Strawberry. Here's Ian Kinsler and Matt Barnes. Alright, we got Trevor Richards, Kenta Maeda, Mike Yastrzemski Feature Stars, Carlos Rodon, Christian Yelich, League Leader, Paul Goldschmidt, J.P. Crawford, another good photo, Kevin Pillar. Oh, these are great. Jalen Davis, Tommy Pham, Anthony Rendon, League Leader. There's a neat card. 1950s, Decades Best, Willie Mays. Uriel Gurriel. I can't pronounce these names. Gurriel. And Michael Baez. Alrighty. We got Daniel Murphy, Bobby Bradley, Andrew Haney, got AJ Puck rookie card, Starlin Castro, Jordan Yamamoto, Mike Mikolas, got Willie Adams. Hey, there's a Cubs team card. Look how excited Rizzo is. That's awesome. And there's the other Chicago team, White Sox. Steven Strasburg. Here's a Chipper Jones, 1985. Pete Alonso Rookie Cup. And Kyle Schwarber. I think that's his base. Yep. A couple Cubs there. Alrighty. Fernando Tatis, Rookie Cup. Tim Anderson. Manny Machado. Here's another Cub rookie, Robel Garcia. Patrick Corbin. Jesus Aguilar. There's John Lester, looking focused. Charlie Culberson. Jackie Bradley Jr. Hey, there's your relic, so no auto in this one. But a nice relic card from Ken Griffey Jr. Congratulations, you've just received a 85 Topps Baseball relic card from 2020 Topps Baseball Series 1. This memorabilia contained on this card is not from any specific game, event, or season. Well, that helps narrow it down, but pretty cool. If anybody's interested in that, let me know. Jake Rogers and Whit Merrifield. So we hit our relic pretty early. Hopefully find a short print or something in here. Justin Turner, Oscar Mercado, Future Star, Garrett Cooper, Brad Hand, Jacoby Jones, Trey Turner, Jose Quintana, James Paxton, Masahiro Tanaka, Ian Desmond, Luis Castillo, Yolmer Sanchez, former Cub, Jake Arrieta, and Christian Vasquez. They didn't have any jumbo boxes, by the way. I probably wouldn't have bought one because they're about double the price of a hobby box, but they just had the hobby boxes in stock. So Hunter Renfroe, there's another Cub, Kyle Hendricks, Gregory Polanco, Kyle Lewis, Bubba Starling, JD Martinez, Brad Keller, Andrew Chafin, Jorge Soler, Anthony Rendon, Steven Strasburg. This looks like a parallel here. Jose Barrios. It's not numbered. It looks like a blue parallel, maybe? Or maybe that's just the team color. Not sure. We'll check into that later. Roberto Osuna and Josh Rojas. Sandy Alcantara, Francisco Lindor, Jose Barrios, Luke Jackson, Vlad Guerrero Jr. Rookie Cup, Tyler Beede, Ketel Marte. Here's our future stars, Chris Paddock, Orlando Arcia. There's Baez in the picture. That's a cool shot, actually. Wade Davis, Joey Votto. That looks like a gold. Ryan Yarborough. Yep, there is a gold. How about that? This is the gold, not the gold foil. There's two different ones. But I believe the gold foil are only in jumbos, I believe. But as you can see, it's labeled 2020. Pretty cool. Oh, that's a shot right there. Hector Neris and Andrew Benintendi. So that's a pretty good pack. What are we getting down to here? Mike Tauchman, David Price, Roman Quinn, Jorge Polanco, Domingo Santana, Evan Longoria, Jordan Zimmerman, Steven Matz. There's a Mets team card. Another great picture. Twins team card. Marco Gonzalez. Here's a 1990s decade best. Roger Clemens. Cesar Hernandez. Ooh, look at that picture. Look at that shirt. That's pretty snazzy. Anthony Santander. Move my pile over here. We're getting there. All right. Dwight Smith Jr., Matt Chapman, Tyler Flowers, Gary Sanchez, Jorge Alfaro. I'm not sure that's just the base. You never know with some of these. Leon Hendricks. That's a cool picture. Soaking it all in. Yankees. Cool. Juan Soto. Oops, sorry about that. Ian Kennedy. Max Kepler. Jamison Talon. And here's a Clayton Kershaw, 1985. Sam Hillard. Enrique Hernandez. Look at that. Look at that lake, man. That's crazy. Okay. All right. Dario Agrazal. Raziel Iglesias. Anthony Rendon. Dylan Cease. Omar Narvaez. Reese McGuire. Matt Dice. Zach Collins. Matt Carpenter. Craig Kimbrell. Look at that beard. It's crazy. There's the Brewers team card. Here's a Don Mattingly. Okay, what is this thing? Topps Choice. Well, that's pretty cool. Blake Trainen and Nick Markakis. All right. We got a Rafael Devers, JT Real Muto, Zach Greinke, Taylor Rogers, Anibal Sanchez. That one's upside down. Marwin Gonzalez, Melky Cabrera, oops, Shohei Ohtani. I always forget about him. Okay, Mitch Hanger. Didn't we get another one of these? No, it's a base. All right. Juan Soto, Tim Anderson. Here's a 1985 Mike Mussina. It's a sharp looking card. Former Cubby, Tommy La Stella. And a Sean Murphy rookie card. Let's see. Looks like we got 12 packs left. Start off with a Cub. Albert Almora. Josh Bell. Jonathan Villar. Dan Vogelbach. Ryu. We'll go with that. Mike Clevenger. Billy Hamilton. Here's Christian and Nolan. Looks like an all-star chat. BGO and Bichette. Another BGO. Oh, it's Kevin BGO. Yasmani Grandal. Looks like another gold card. Josh Van Meter. Yep, it is 2020. Luke Voigt. And good old Mike Trout. I rarely get any Trout cards. Alex Bregman, Jeremy Jeffress, Carlos Santana, Jordan Alvarez, rookie card, rookie cup. Alright. Buster Posey, Jack Flaherty, Brandon Drury, Eloy Jimenez, couple White Sox there, Jose Abreu, Gleyber Torres, it's a base, Garrett Cole, Caleb Smith, Jock Peterson, Jeff McNeil, feature stars. Alrighty, Alex Colon, Joey Lucchesi, Jaime Candelario, Brendan McKay, Abraham Toro, rookie card, Adalberto Montesi, Jose Urena, Randy Arozarena, rookie card. Some of these names are hard to say. Lewis Thorpe, Juan Segura, that's a cool card. Atlanta Braves. Here's a, oh, it is a Topps Now. What do they call these things? So Vlad Guerrero, Topps Now, whatever they're calling them. I don't know. Mike Fears and David Peralta. All right. There's Ronald Acuna Jr. That's pretty cool. I don't think that's anything special. Nope. Mitch Garver, Chris Davis, Ahmad Rosario, Kevin McCarthy, Ildemaro Vargas, Matthew Boyd, Andrew Miller. That's a cool team card. Boston Red Sox. Another cool one. Phillies. Manny Bean Manny. Like Manny and Tatis on that card. Here's a rainbow foil. Christian and Nolan. Talk shop. So I got the base and the rainbow. Pretty cool. Michael Chavez and Brian Anderson. Okay, we're down to 8 packs. Alrighty, Robinson Cano, Julio Teheran, DJ LeMahieu, Ansel Robles, Lurie Garcia, Nicky Lopez, Sean Doolittle, Tyler Naquin, Lucas Giolito, Zach Gallen, Jacob Wagesbeck, sorry I messed that one up, Luis Servino, 85. And we've got Brandon Woodruff and Nelson Cruz. Alright, Clayton Kershaw. Wow, these pictures are really good this year. Ramon Laureano, feature star. Cole Calhoun, Jesus Luzardo, Isan Diaz rookie card, Haroldis Chapman, oops, Malik Smith. That's a cool picture. That's a base. Alright. And there's a World Series Max Scherzer, Emilio Pagan, Justin Verlander. Looks like it's raining there. Brock Holt. Here's a 1950s Decade's Best, Hank Aaron. We got a JT Riddle and Shane Bieber. And no mention of Justin on this one. Okay. Alright, we got Jake Marsnick, Patrick Sandoval, David Fletcher, Eric Fed, Tyler O'Neill, Trent Thornton, Max Muncy. Hey, another Cubs team card. Schwarber walk-off. Roberto Perez, Freddie Peralta, Logan Allen, Nolan Arenado, 1985, Michael Pineda, another Javier Baez. All right, Andrew Kashner, Jacob deGrom, David Bodie, Chris Archer. There's a name you don't hear very much anymore. Dansby Swanson, Seth Brown, Kenley Jansen, Daniel Mengden, Zach Wheeler, German Marquez, Jake Lamb. Hey, there's a Dawson and an Expos. How about that? 1980s Decade's Best. That'll go in my Dawson collection. Mike Moustakas and Max Stassi. All right, we're down to the final four here. Here is Aaron Judge. There's another good one. Cody Bellinger. Ryan Braun. Brandon Belt. Pete Alonso. Merrill Kelly. Ken Giles. Here's an Angels team card. A little Ohtani in there. Don't see Trout. Huh. Hollywood Heroes for the Dodgers. Brewers. Austin Barnes. Sure. Okay. Here's a Chris. Oh, wow. There we go. Chris Bryant home run challenge. One of these deals. I don't know if I'll scratch that one or not. Might just put it in the KB collection. We got a Juan Makata and Framil Reyes. Alrighty. Carlos Correa, Brian Abreu, Miguel Cabrera, Tyler Alexander rookie, Jeff Samardzija, Mauricio Dubon. There's a Bryce Harper. That's the base. Michael Givens. There's Trevor Bauer. CJ Cron. Aaron Nola. Here's another shiny rainbow foil. Bubba Starling. That's cool. We got Austin Nola and Jesse Winker. All right, 2 packs left. All right, we got Anthony K, rookie, Alex Verdugo, Nick Senzel, feature star, Nico Goodrum. We got Andres Munoz. Got some Twins, Cruz and Garver, Max Scherzer, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Yadier Molina. Why does that look like a short print? Nope, just a nice shot. Houston Astros team card. Here's the Nationals team card. Rogelio Armenteros, Chase Anderson, and Christian Stewart. All right, last pack from the hobby box. All right. Jose Peraza, Kirby Yates. Oops. John Gray, Michael Brossow, Gavin Lux, rookie, Ryan Yarborough, Lewis Brinson. Here's a Ben Gamel, Starling Marte, Brandon Crawford, Austin Meadows. That's a different color. Aaron Savali. Oh, it's a number to 50. How about that? That's pretty spiffy. So if anybody's a fan of this guy or the team needs it, rookie card numbered to 50, let me know. Adrian Moron? Not Moron, sorry. It's not what I meant to say. And Daniel Polka. So that's it for the hobby box. That was pretty fun. I have one bonus pack here that I picked up at Meijer this evening. Happened to see it at the checkout. Couldn't pass it up. You don't ever leave one pack behind. This is a 2020 Topps Series 1. You got 34 cards. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that open real quick, just since I don't want to make a separate video for it. I don't rip it open. Oh. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We got Kirby Yates. Wish they would put them all in order here. John Gray. Michael Brossow, rookie. Tyler White. Dustin May, rookie. There's another Bryce Harper. I like that headband. That's cool. Michael Givens. Starlin Castro. Jordan Yamamoto. Miles Mikolas. Zach Gallen. Jacob Wagasback. There's another Angels team card. Carlos Correa. Do we have another one of these? Let's see. That is a short print. This is a short print of Carlos Correa. It's numbered to 284. Let me put those down for a second. Let's hopefully see this down there at the bottom. 284. That is a short print. Awesome. Put that to the side here. Well, that's pretty cool. Out of a retail pack. Here's Pete Alonso, 1985. Hey, there's Chris Bryant. This is one of the Turkey Red cards. Martinez. Let's see who that is. JD Martinez for the Red Sox. So I got a couple Turkey Red cards. Joey Lucchesi. Here's a Cody Bellinger. Ryan Braun. Hanser Alberto. Buster Posey. Jack Flaherty. Brandon Drury. Eloy Jimenez. Isan Diaz. Here's a Matt Olson. Dominic Smith. Josh Van Meter. There's another John Lester. Mike Moustakas. Max Stassi. Adrian there it is again, Morahan. And Daniel Polka. So there you go. Not too shabby for one pack out of the retail at Meijer there. Getting that Correa short print. Pretty nifty. Well, that's all the cards I got to open today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little longer than I'm used to doing, but just had to break a hobby box because I really enjoy doing that when I have the funds to do so. So nothing too exciting out of it, but it was fun to break. And again, if you're interested in any of these cards, let me know. I'll probably put them up sometime this week up on trading card database. So if you're on there, look me up, Cubs Fan Stan. Also on Twitter, Instagram, under those same usernames. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. And please leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought. What do you think of the 2020 Series 1 stuff? I'm still trying to get used to the vertical names and team names. Usually they're on the bottom, and this year they just had to put them on the side. It's a little weird, but I'm getting used to it. So anyway, I've done enough talking. So we'll catch you again down the road here. Have a good one.